Hi everyone, come to the accounts class. So in this session, we will discuss one more question related to sacrificing ratio. So all of you observe the question. Ram and Rahim are partners, sharing profits and losses equally. So in this business organization, there are two partners, right? Namely Ram and Rahim. Both are partners sharing entire profits and losses in the ratio of equally. Equally means nothing but 1:1 proportion. Whatever the profit in the business, all the profit they are distributing on the basis of 1:1. I mean equal. They admit Charlene. Charlene is a new partner, right? They admit Charlene into the partnership. So he is a new partner. On the event of admission of a Charlene, Ram agreed to surrender. I mean, they are sacrificing one third of his share. One third of his share they are sacrificing to Charlene. I mean, the Ram partner. On the same day, Rahim agreed to surrender one fourth of his share to Charlie. Both the partners they are sacrificing some part of profit to that incoming partner. That is what surrender share, right? So finally we need to calculate sacrifice share. So in this question they given old ratio as well as surrender share also. Now we can ascertain that sacrifice share. So first we need to write that headline related to sacrificing ratio. Calculation of sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio per share. Before the going formula, first we need to record whatever the data given in the question. The first one, word profit sharing ratio they given, right? What is that word profit sharing ratio in between Ram and Rahim? Ram and Rahim, they are sharing entire profits and losses in the proportions of 1:1. 1:1 means 1 by 2 is to 1 by 2. Entire profit they are distributing on these proportions only. The next one, surrender share of Ram. Ram, how much profit they are surrendered on the event of incoming into new partner here? One third of share they are sacrificing into Charlene partner. One third. This is what surrender share by Mr. Ram. The next one, surrender share of Rahim. One fourth of share they are surrendered. Surrender means nothing but they are sacrificing to that incoming partner. This is what given data in this question. Now we can apply the formula. So as per the given data, they given old share as well as surrender share, right? Now we can apply that formula. Sacrifice share equals to sacrifice share equals to old share into surrender share. Old share into surrender share. This is what formula for the calculation of sacrifice share. So now we can take the first partner, I mean Ram partner. How much share they are sacrificing? You need to identify. Sacrifice share of Ram or share sacrificed by Ram. What is the old share of Ram? The old share of Ram. Both the partners they are sharing profits and losses equal proportions, right? Equally means nothing but 1:1. So I have to write 1 by 2. 1 by 2. This is what share of Ram partners. And the same being surrender share. The Ram partner that surrender one third of his share. One third. Have to write one third. This was given data, right? Now we need to multiply. 1 ones are 1. The same 2 3s are 6. 1 by 6. This is what sacrifice share of Ram, or share sacrificed by Ram is 1 by 6. Our next partner, sacrifice share of Rahim. The first one, the whole share of Rahim 1 by 2, right? The whole share equally proportions means 1 by 2. And the same way surrender share of Rahim. What is the surrender share of Rahim? 1/4 share. We have recorded whole share as well as surrender share. Now we can multiply. 1 ones are 1, 2 fours are 8. As per the given values, we are multiplied. But here, both the denominator fractions are different. So in this situation, we can't be able to simplify the ratios, right? So in this situation, we need to equal them. Or we need to take, so we need to divide among one value, like 6 fours are, or 6 fours are 24. 6 fours are 24. On the same way, 8 threes are 24. 6 fours are 24. 8 threes are 24. So now both the denominator fractions are equal, right? Both the ratios are equally. So at the time of simplifying the ratios, must and should both the values must equal. Otherwise, we can't be able to simplify the ratios. The next step. So once again here, 6 fours are 24, 8 threes are 24. So both the denominator fractions are equal. Now we can simplify. Sacrifice share of Ram and Rahim is 4 by 24 is to 3 by 24. Here 24 cancel means 4 is to 3. 4 is to 3. This is what sacrifice share of Ram and Rahim in the partnership. So this is what solution regarding the question. Thank you, students.